In this video, we are going to create a basic drawer that will contain a drawer header, a list, and an on-tap function that will close the drawer. So, create a drawer in scaffold, we need to use a drawer property which takes a new drawer widget. So, if we restart our app now, you can see that a drawer icon is being provided by default. So, if you press at that icon, we have got an empty drawer. So, in this empty drawer, we are going to provide a list view. In this we will create a property called as children. In this we are going to provide list style. Let's give a title to a list which takes a widget, so text, and here we will say page 1, and we are also going to provide trailing. So in which we will provide a new icon widget, icon dot, we are going to provide an arrow icon, icons dot arrow forward. We are going to create two more list style. Let's copy and paste. Let this be page 2, and the third list style we are going to say close. Now to perform on tap operation, there is a property in list style called as on tap which accepts a function. In this we are going to say navigator dot pop context, and if we restart our app, in the drawer we have got 3 lists, and if we press on close, our drawer will close. Let's change the icon of close to close. Now the next property, or the next widget that we are going to see is the header. So new user account header. In this we are going three properties. The first property is account name which takes a widget. So here we will say new text. We will provide the name, my name, type out here, and in email we'll provide a string. Let's say dummy@.com. Now the next property that we are going to see is current account image which takes a widget. So we are going to provide a new circle avatar. In this we are going to set a background color as color dot, let's say black 26, and we are going to provide a child which will have a text, and we will say M, initial of my name. And the next property that we are going to see in user account drawer is decoration. In this we need to add a new box decoration widget which we are going to provide color, let's say colors dot, and we will give orange. Now let's start our app. Now if we press on the drawer icon, you can see that we have added a header which consists of a circle avatar, and there is my name and my email, and you can also add other accounts here by a property called as other account pictures, which takes a widget. So in this we will add circle avatar. We'll copy this, paste 2 times. Now let's restart our app. Let's change the, now if we click on the icon, you can see we have also got the other account, and that's it. That's how you create a basic drawer